traders, I posted this into my TradingView ideas. Where was it? Looking at the NAS here, this one. That was the idea. I was looking for this to range a little bit and then break structure. So as it turned out, we got it. And yeah, I mean, if you caught that, well done. So what I want to do in this video is take a look at the US500. I mean, it's fairly similar. They seem to run in tandem. So let's just go over here and we'll get our bearings on this one, and I'll come up with a bit of a plan. I'm just going to delete some drawings. Yeah, okay. Deep pullback. Okay, it runs into liquidity under here, and look at the reaction off that. Okay, big money distribution, bang, down it goes, and it hits these orders that are sitting under here, sell stops, etc. Strong reaction. So, I mean, the question is, where to from here? I'm always looking at this from a liquidity standpoint. Where is their liquidity? Righto, there. Okay, let's just mark it up, plan it out, and see where to next. The next liquidity pool now, given that there's there's two candles here, is right here, right there. Right. Now you've got this distribution level, and we've also got this really strong momentum with this down and then back up again. I mean, it's an extreme move. So I'm always expecting the market to, if it takes an extreme move, if it's going to be bullish, that, right? Or if it's going to be bearish, yeah, I don't know, something like that, right? Okay, it's extreme and it's going to move from here. Given that there's liquidity above and it's chewing into it, what makes sense is a pullback. So let's just go down to the 4H. All right, a couple of things about it. Yeah, I mean, there is a liquidity pool above here, but more importantly, we've got, see this thin red candle here. Okay, this is a bearish imbalance. So there's liquidity and an imbalance. Trades back into it, rebalances, runs into resistance. All right, and I'm thinking maybe more downside. So I'm going to be looking for a short, and this is overextended as well. So I'm thinking it might pull back. Yeah, Friday, Monday, extreme move. Now into Tuesday. Let's see how we go. I mean, look, the markets could hold up. We could get a bit of a shallow pullback in it, and it's off again. We don't know, right? But at the moment, it's trading in liquidity, and what makes sense is what's resting under here. So with that, I'm inclined to go down the time frame and look for a sell opportunity to take it back down into these levels. Have a look at where you've got this thin candle here. So we've got a bullish imbalance right there, 4-hour time frame, and I'm always looking at the Fibonacci. Here it is. Look, let's just grab the fib. Here's the thing, right? Low to high, low to high, pull back into 50%, right? Everywhere you want to go, pretty much, give or take. I mean, where do you want to go with that, right? The pullback, it expands, it retraces, expands, retrace. So we get this expansion, high to low, look at the retrace, right? Into equilibrium. Now we've got this expansion, right? Equilibrium, and this comes together. Right? We've got an imbalance, trades back down, rebalances, finds equilibrium, right? Who knows after that? So my bias would be bearish and go down to a lower time frame, 30 minutes. It's a really simple strategy, guys. So whenever you get a pullback, right, there's a pullback there, right? Look for the break. Okay, look for a structural shift. Break structure. It pulls back, it breaks structure. Okay, it pulls back, it breaks structure. Now we've got this move here, eating into this. So what I'm looking for is this to turn around. So I'm looking for that. All right. Now, given that this trading into this imbalance, I don't want to see price break through the imbalance. And what I do want to see is price to do whatever it does, Maybe it trades up a little bit more, I don't know. But I want to see it hold within this range and then break structure bearish, and that's my cue. If it doesn't break this range, preferably it doesn't break midpoint of this range. Right, that's the imbalance. Okay, eats into it a little bit, we get a bit of a rebalance. Okay, it takes out more liquidity, and then down we go, right, potentially. So with that, then I'm looking for this, a sell with this criteria. Let me just go to a thing here. Sell on a bearish break of structure and retest to the range. So what I'm looking for is that, basically, to break structure. All right, and then we get that. That's what I'm looking for. And then my target would be this level down in here. So there's a target. Let's grab a... guys, if you are gaining any value, I would really appreciate a comment. Share your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Are we on the same page? There's a TP, and, your stop loss would go above the swing, entry, TP, short position, possibly, wherever it works out, okay? So that TP there is going to give you, close to a 2R. All right, now you could go for broke and extend it, look to close 50% of your position at 1R, stop loss down to break even, and then sit on the rest of it and see how you go. So that's what I'd be doing with this, guys. Yeah, so look, I think I'll wrap it up with that. I hope you have a fantastic day. A comment would be awesome. I really appreciate comments. I want to take this opportunity to invite you to test my indicators and trade signals completely free. Let me show you what is available for you at no cost whatsoever. First up, copy-friendly trade signals. These can be copied through TS Copier automatically and transferred over to your account. We also have a crypto channel where you can set up auto trading as well. One click, set auto trading. Furthermore, Discord, down here, my trades that I take on my account, snapshots go in here. These are the ones on Telegram. Over here you have ideas, okay, if you want to manually trade. Daily mentorship videos explaining how to use our indicators and our trading strategy. These go in here. So the trades that I'm taking are explained in the mentorship videos. And of course, full access to the indicators. Try this and see for yourself firsthand how this could completely change the game for you. My website, anthonyfx.com. Take the trial. This is what you gain access to. You don't get billed. You've got 2 whole weeks to enjoy, take your time, and set up a strategy, or just copy my signals. If you decide this is for you after 2 weeks, shout me lunch. That's a sushi train once a month. That's all I'm asking at the moment. To get started, just click the WAP link or the PayPal down here and jump on board. The other option is trade copy. Set it up automatically. It's 2 options. You can use TS Copier, or you can save money, and I'll organize connecting your Forex account to mine. It's a much cheaper option. Information's on my website. Join us and find out what's possible. Okay, guys, with that, I'll let you do the math and look forward to seeing you in VIP.